Hi, Mr. Kevin. Thank you so much for visiting our new corporate office.
Delighted to be here as always.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So we are sending our students to Griffith, Ireland for the last 9 years. Now we are moving to our 10th year. How do you see our students, the quality, our recruitment, and the students' behavior once they reach there and their success, career progression? What's your take on?
Super. No, we're having very fortunate and very lucky to work with Mr. Sony and the team here at EasyLink for nearly 10 years now. And over that 10 years, our relationship has grown and grown as the student quality has been proven year on year to be exceptionally strong. We're very fortunate to welcome students from Kerala and Tamil Nadu through EasyLink, and they've come into our programs in IT, in pharmaceutical science, in technology, and in also sort of IT and financial related areas. And that has really helped the college grow, and the college meets specific needs for the Irish government in terms of skill sets of critical skilled workers coming into the country, having gone through a training process with Griffith College in Ireland. We find that the students that come through are very well informed, that they are very energized, they want to learn, they want to study, and they're very eager to make a positive contribution to Ireland, as part of and after their studies. And what really attracts a lot of students to Ireland is the fact that there is that 2-year working visa, as you know, Mr. Sony, and those students who come in and who achieve well are progressing into careers, and we've seen very high career progression rates for graduates, as I said, in those areas of pharma, IT and financial services in particular. So we couldn't be happier with the relationship with EasyLink, and we really do hope that it will continue.
Thank you so much.